Mucho poco, 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 poco.
The Shapes Shop. Part 1. Primera parte. If you went into the shape shop, you would see all kinds of shapes that are used to make all kinds of things. In Espanol, we call shapes figuras. Figuras. This is el cuadrado. Cuadrado. This es el óvalo. Óvalo. Rectángulo. Rectángulo. Círculo. Círculo. Rombo. Rombo. Triángulo. Triángulo. Those are las figuras, shapes, figuras. So just to make sure that you know all of these shapes in English, let's go through them. This is a square. Cuadrado. Diamond. Rombo. Rectangle. Rectángulo. Triangle. Triángulo. Circle. Círculo. Oval. Óvalo. The day I visited the shape shop, la tienda de figuras, they were making una casa. And here's what I saw them do. They took un rectángulo and they made it más grande, like this. Then they took un triángulo and they made it like this. And then they made it más alta, like that. Then they took un cuadrado and they put it there so that people could see out, see right through the ventana. Then they made another cuadrado out of it, so they had double ventanas. Then they took another rectángulo and stood it up on its end. And they put it right there like this. Then they made it más grande. Like that. Because the puerta has to be big enough so you can walk in. Then they took el óvalo. You know what I'm going to do with it? That's what I'm going to do. And they made una ventana so people could look out the puerta. But wait a minute. Something was missing. How are you going to get in through the puerta unless you have a knob? So they took el círculo and they made it muy pequeño, like this. And they put it right about there. So whenever you go to visit, you can turn the círculo and walk right through that puerta. You may wonder, what about el rombo? Well, they didn't do anything with the rombo that day. The next thing I saw them making at the shape shop, la tienda de figuras, was una chupa, a sucker. Wait a minute. These things are out of order, so first let's put them in order. I did this on purpose, and I forgot I did. This is tell me, rectángulo. And look, something's in the way. What is that? El rombo. Now something's in the way here. This is el triángulo. It doesn't go there. Where's the cuadrado? Aquí está el cuadrado. Hey, what goes here? Óvalo, 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 óvalo. Óvalo. Hey, what are you doing there, círculo? You belong over here. Triángulo, come on over here. So there again we have las figuras. Let's make the chupa just like they did. They took el rectángulo and they made it very, very estrecho. Then they took el círculo and made it muy, muy grande. So then they took el triángulo and they put it right there en la chupa, en el círculo. They took un cuadrado más pequeño and put it en el círculo. Y luego they took un rombo and put it right about there. Then they took otro rombo and put it kind of like that. They took el óvalo and put it in here. It's very pretty. All of the different figuras en la chupa. El triángulo, un triángulo pequeño, pequeñito. Y el triángulo, otro cuadrado. Watch what I'm going to do now. It's still going to be a cuadrado, but I'm going to turn it. Es un cuadrado, very small, muy pequeño. That's what they made right before my eyes, and then they let me eat it. La chupa. I said, por favor, please, por favor, can I come back tomorrow and watch you make some more things in la tienda de figuras? And they said, sure, we would love to show you what we're making next.